In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get toasters here in Arc Raiders. They can be a little annoying to find. I'm going to show you the best places to look. If this guide does help you out though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but let's get into this. Now, toasters often do spawn the most in residential areas on the map. So if you open up the map and you really go to any area, I'm just going to use Buried City as an example though. If you hit inspect on this option, what you're going to want to look for is housing complexes, apartment buildings, and really any area that is marked with this little person icon over here, because that's going to be a residential area. Now, in my opinion, a good spot is actually on the Buried City map. Stuff like the Grandizo apartments down here have a higher chance of spawning toasters. When you're inside these residential zones though, just search for cabinets, drawers, kitchen counters, and tables. But they can literally spawn anywhere that makes sense in a home setting, so just keep that in mind. Just stick to residential maps and buildings and you'll start finding toasters a lot more consistently. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, ask them down below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.